Volga, originating from the Volga hills, is the longest river in the whole of Russia and the European continent as well. It complexes comprising of dams, reservoirs and hydroelectric facilities operate on the river, and they are located at the cities in Uglik, Rebinsk, Nizhny Novgorod, Cheboksary, Samara, Saratov and Volgograd, along with Nizhny Volgograd.
Consider the following statements on Volga. 1. Matushka. 2. Maximum number of dams. 3. Heavy silting and pollution. 4. Volga drains into Aral Sea. The correct statements are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 3 and 4, D. 1 and 2 and 3. Write the correct answer in comment box. Click on the website link to know the correct answer.